Have you ever felt like giving up when life gets too hard? This is the story of a young girl who had nothing but a dream so big it changed her life forever. Stay with me till the end because her story might be the push you need today. There was a girl named Aisha who lived in a small town. Every morning, she woke up before sunrise, helped her mother cook, and then walked 5 kilometers to school. Aisha loved studying English. She dreamed of becoming a teacher one day, but her classmates often laughed at her accent. They said, "You can't speak English properly. How will you become a teacher?" Aisha smiled, even when her heart hurt. She whispered to herself, "One day, I will speak English better than anyone here." One day, her school announced an English storytelling competition. The winner would get a scholarship for higher studies. Aisha wanted to participate, but fear stopped her. She thought, "What if I forget my words? What if everyone laughs again?" That night, she cried quietly. Her mother sat beside her and said softly, "My dear, every big dream sounds impossible at first, but impossible only means I'm possible." Those words touched Aisha's heart. From that night, she started practicing daily. She stood in front of a mirror, read English books aloud, and watched motivational videos. Sometimes her voice shook. Sometimes she forgot words. But she never stopped. Finally, the day arrived. The hall was full of students, teachers, and parents. Aisha's heart was beating fast. When her name was called, she walked to the stage. Her hands were cold, but she remembered her mother's words. She began her story slowly. Once upon a time, there was a bird who wanted to fly, but its wings were too weak. As she spoke, her confidence grew. Her voice became strong, her English clear. Everyone listened silently. When she finished, the hall was quiet, and then everyone clapped loudly. Aisha couldn't believe it. She had done it. A few days later, the results were announced. Aisha had won the first prize. Her teacher said, "Aisha, your story was simple, but your voice touched every heart." Tears filled Aisha's eyes. She had proven everyone wrong, not by fighting, but by believing in herself. Aisha's story reminds us that success doesn't come to the strongest or the smartest. It comes to those who never give up. So if you're learning English, remember, every word you speak takes you one step closer to your dream. Keep going, keep believing, and one day your story will inspire others too.